Here is homework help number 63 and 4.1. The pointer on a voltmeter is 6 meters in length. Find the number of degrees through which the pointer rotates when it moves 2.5 centimeters on the scale. So we're given 2.5 centimeters is our arc length. So we're going to use that formula. S equals R times theta. Now what we're trying to find is the number of degrees to which the pointer rotates. So we're trying to find the angle. So let's change the formula by dividing by R. So now we have theta equals S over R. S is 2.5 and the radius is 6. And so let me get rid of the decimal by moving the decimal place one spot to the right on both the numerator and denominator. And I'm going to leave that as 60 for now. That's our theta. But let's go ahead and change it to degrees. So 25 over 60 times 180 degrees over pi. So 60 goes into 180 3 times. So we're looking at 75 degrees pi. Then if you plug that in a calculator, you would get 23.87 degrees.